Have you ever wondered why the relationship between the dollar and gold tends to be negative? Why does a strengthening dollar often signal a decline in gold prices and vice versa? It's a complex dance, a fascinating interplay of economics, finance, and global geopolitics. Yet there are times when this relationship could shift, when gold and the dollar could move in the same direction. Let's explore these scenarios. Firstly, consider the scenario of rising inflationary expectations. When there's a significant increase in anticipated inflation, investors often turn to gold as a hedge. This surge in demand could push up gold prices. If this inflation is also seen as a sign of a robust U.S. economy, the dollar might strengthen as well, leading to a positive correlation between the two. Another scenario is a long-term structural decline of the U.S. dollar. If structural economic factors weaken the dollar over time, gold and the dollar could rise together. As a traditional safe haven asset, gold could appreciate alongside a weakening dollar during periods of significant economic distress. However, remember, these scenarios are hypothetical. The relationship between gold and the dollar is intricate, influenced by a multitude of factors. Global interest rates, for instance, play a key role. When these rates rise, investors may prefer to hold interest-bearing assets instead of non-yielding gold, which could dampen gold prices. Then there's the factor of geopolitical uncertainty. During periods of heightened geopolitical risk, demand for both the US dollar as a safe haven currency and gold can increase, creating a complex interplay. And let's not forget supply and demand dynamics. Changes in global gold mine supply or fluctuations in jewelry and industrial demand for gold can also impact its price. In conclusion, while a persistently positive correlation between gold and the dollar is unlikely, specific economic circumstances could create temporary periods of co-movement. However, it's necessary to consider the broader economic and financial landscape when analyzing the complex relationship between these two assets. So next time you see the dollar strengthening or weakening or gold prices rising or falling, remember, there's more to it than meets the eye. It's a fascinating dance of economics, finance, and global geopolitics, one that never ceases to intrigue and surprise.